Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a $2.9 million settlement that was reached with a black woman who was engaged in a botched Chicago police raid. If you like this type of content and would like to see more content like this, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down or a news story you would like me to cover, please send an email to me at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Now, let's dive right into this news story out of Chicago.
Money does not equal justice, stated Anjanette Young, the plaintiff in the lawsuit.
She stated that she would have liked to see the cops fired. In an interview that aired on CBS Mornings, Miss Young said there is no amount of money that will rectify this wrong. I would have been more satisfied if all 12 police officers had been fired and I hadn't received a dollar, she said, adding that she had told her counsel originally she wanted the police officers fired. A dozen Chicago police officers stormed into Miss Young's home in February 2019 while she was changing after a business function, according to body cam footage. Miss Young screamed at the officers as they handcuffed her while she was still naked. "You have the wrong house." According to the Chicago Sun-Times, the police officers wrapped a blanket over Miss Young and refused to let her put on any clothes for 10 minutes. The Sun-Times reported that while the police claimed they had a legitimate search warrant for the residence, the information they used was inaccurate, and the individual they were looking for didn't live at that location. In December of 2021, the city of Chicago agreed to a $2.9 million settlement. According to CBS Chicago, Chicago's Office of Inspector General released a report last week describing the aftermath of the raid and the city's response. According to the lawsuit, individuals from the Chicago Police Department, the Civilian Officer of Police Accountability, and the mayor's office neglected to confront the raid's wrongdoings. Ms. Young told CBS Mornings, "I lost a lot of my life that night. I honestly believe that if I had done anything differently that night, I would have perished." So YouTube, please let me know in the comments below, what do you think the disciplinary action should have been towards the officers involved in this incident? Also, I hope you like this video, and if so, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, YouTube, stay safe out there.